Hi, my name is Zach Lewis, and this is Zach's Dirt Bike Life. Today my dad, a few other guys and I did the Scargill Hills MyRide. The loop was 42 kilometers long. The terrain is mostly grassy tracks and hills with lots of hidden rocks that can take you by surprise. A few mishaps occurred throughout the ride. Watch to the end to see what happens. I hope you enjoy the footage. This is the only enduro on the course, and enduro is a really hard track to challenge some of the more experienced riders. As you can see, it is pretty much impossible to get up it.
No grip. What do you reckon, Tim? No grip, eh? Have you done it, Tim, or not?
I had a go.
Yeah. What do you mean you had to go? You got up? What's it, mate? Oh.
So in the end, I somehow cracked the hump on my back wheel. Thankfully this happened right at the end of the ride, so I didn't miss out on much. Also, Dad has got a very sore back from going down a dip and clicking it. Anyway, that's all for today. Goodbye.